Are you asking yourself which lead magnet converts subscribers into customers most? Well, in this video, from today moving forward, you're going to have the answer to that. I'm Jason Resnick of NurtureKit, NurtureKit.co, and with email marketing and automation, attribution is hard. And if you haven't heard of what that term is, it's the touch point that helps to contribute to the conversion or sale, where someone actually originally came into your email list. By knowing that, you know what to double down on, what's working, and what to pay attention to and promote more, because you know that it attracts the most amount of subscribers into your email marketing that then convert into customers. So if you have 2 or 5 or 10 ways in which people come into your list, you want to know which ones are the best.
Hey Jay, I have tags that can do this.
Well, since you're this far in the video, I'm going to say that the tags aren't helping you that much because you're still asking yourself that question. I know why, for 2 reasons. One, the tag cloud that you see on subscribers has a whole lot of tags on it, and without diving in and hovering over each one, you're not really sure which one came first. And it's hard to really figure out from an aggregate from your account which one is the proper attribution. And number 2, there's only one first lead magnet, and that's where custom fields works great, because if it's already set, then we don't overwrite it. Let's dive into the account, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up so that you have the answers. Now, whether you have a lead magnet, a webinar, or some joint venture, you're going to want to create a rule that grabs that person from the form and tags them. Now, I have a philosophy or a method that I go by called the driver philosophy, which I'll link up, that you can go ahead and check out all the details on why that's best practice. But what this really means is that somebody comes in through this lead magnet form and then they get applied this tag. Now this tag then triggers off this automation. And then what we're going to do is check a custom field first to see if it's blank. I'm going to call it campaign_origin and check to see if it's blank. If it is blank, we're going to assume that they're brand new to the list and this needs to be set. So then we're going to set that custom field to some value that you can understand and know where it came from. For me, it's called first because, well, that's the name of the landing page. So now you have a way in which you can create segments. You can do a quick search to try to figure out which lead magnets or which opt-ins work best so that you can promote those and double down on what's working to convert subscribers into customers for your email marketing and automation. If you like this, smash that like button and go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well and click that bell icon so that you get notified the next time a 3-minute ConvertKit tip drops. And when you treat your email lists like humans, amazing transformations happen.